Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about some of the baddest Brabus cars ever built. For those who aren't familiar with Brabus, it is a German high-performance aftermarket tuning company that specializes in Mercedes-Benz, Smart, and Maybach vehicles. They take already powerful vehicles and turn them into something even more remarkable. Without further ado, let's dive into the list. Brabus Rocket 900. The Brabus Rocket 900 is based on the Mercedes-Benz S65 AMG, which was already an incredibly fast car. However, Brabus took it to another level by adding a V12 engine that produces a staggering 900 horsepower and 1,106 pound-feet of torque. The car is capable of reaching a top speed of 217 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest four-door cars in the world. Brabus 800 White Star. The Brabus 800 White Star is based on the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG, which is already a pretty outrageous vehicle. However, Brabus decided to make it even more extreme by adding a tuned twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 800 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. It also features a wider body kit and massive 23-inch forged wheels. Brabus 856.0 Biturbo Coupe. The Brabus 856.0 Biturbo Coupe is based on the Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG Coupe, which is already a beautiful and powerful vehicle. However, Brabus decided to take it to another level by adding a 6.0-litre V8 engine that produces 850 horsepower and 1,069 pound-feet of torque. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and has a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Brabus Bullet Coupe 800. The Brabus Bullet Coupe 800 is based on the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe, but with a few significant changes. The car features a twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 800 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and has a top speed of 230 miles per hour. The car's design is also very striking, with a wide body kit and aggressive styling. Brabus 900. The Brabus 900 is based on the Mercedes-Maybach S650, which is already an incredibly luxurious car. However, Brabus decided to add some serious power to it by adding a 6.3-litre V12 engine that produces 900 horsepower and 1,106 pound-feet of torque. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and has a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The car's interior is also incredibly luxurious, with premium leather and high-end technology. So there you have it, 5 of the baddest Brabus cars ever built. These cars are not only incredibly powerful but also look amazing and have some of the most luxurious interiors you'll ever see. Brabus takes already impressive vehicles and turns them into something truly remarkable. Which Brabus car do you think is the baddest of them all? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.